If you don't like seeing ads but still love Xiaomi's value, then follow these steps and enjoy a cleaner phone experience. Let's kick those ads to the curb. First, open Settings, head to Passwords and Security, then Authorization and Revocation. Find MSA and switch it off. It might take a couple tries, but keep going. Next, for fewer creepy recommendations, go back to Settings, tap Privacy, then Ad Services, and turn off personalized ad recommendations. Now, tackle those stubborn app ads. In the Security app, Cleaner, My Browser, Music, File Manager, Downloads, Themes, Get Apps, and Me Video. Dive into each app's settings and look for options like Show Ads or Receive Recommendations. Turn them all off. Tedious? Yes. Worth it? Absolutely. Bonus: open any folders with promoted apps, tap the folder name and toggle off recommendations. Quick recap: kill MSA, block recommendations, hunt down ads and apps, and zap promoted folders.